Hello, my name is Carlos Ramirez. I am part of the Blue Box Insurance Broker team, and today I am here making that video because I like to explain you our health insurance quote. If you are watching that video, for sure you got an email from me or one person of our staff and include different kind of health insurance options. I like to explain you one by one and you can understand what's the advantage of each plan. Let's start explaining you the similar coverage in all the plans, because each one of those plans include really similar coverage, like medical expenses for accident, for emergencies, for surgeries, if you need medicines, if you need tests, if you need coverage for COVID, are included in each one of those plans. Also, the waiting periods are really similar. The waiting period for emergencies is 24 hours. The waiting period for doctor appointments is 1 month. Waiting period for hospitalary, if you need hospitalization for any reason, will be 3 months. And one of the most important waiting periods is the pre-existing condition waiting period, that is 2 years. The only plan that will offer you coverage after 1 year is the Vida Buena plan that I will explain you in my video. Let's start it with the insurance company, Confiamed, the first option, that is a full coverage plan that will cover you $50,000 or $100,000 per incident. The deductible is a lower deductible, $120 for 50,000 coverage and $180 for the $100,000 coverage. Now, what's the main advantage of this plan? Coverage abroad. This plan includes coverage for 30 days per trip outside of Ecuador in any place in the world. How work that? You will report to me that you will travel to any place in the world, and I will give you another contract that is included in your monthly payment. You don't will need to pay for that, but will cover you in any place in the world up to $40,000 in a worldwide network. It's an advantage from this plan. Another advantage is the bigger network that the insurance company have. Confiamed offer you around 400 clinics in the network in Ecuador. The advantage to use the network is the coverage, because will be 90%. Another important coverage is doctor in home. If for any reason you don't like to go to the clinic or to the doctor office, we can send a doctor in the main cities of Ecuador with a $10 copay. Medicines in home are included too. Then you can see that is a really good coverage and higher amount of coverage with lower deductibles. It's a really good option to consider. Then the next one is the plan called Vida Buena. The company is Vida Sana, and we have two options: $6,000 coverage per incident or $12,000 per incident. The main coverage about that plan will be medical expenses, like I explained in the beginning of the video, medical expenses for accidents, for emergencies, intensive care, medicines, tests, everything is covered. But the most important to consider is the maximum amount of coverage, that is $6,000 with $100 deductible, and the monthly premium will be $39 with $20 and $12,000, $49 with $20 per month, and $150 deductible. You can see lower deductibles but smaller coverage, like the maximum amount per incident. The next one will be the major medical plan. This plan comes with Confiamed 2. The plan will cover you up to $500,000, but the deductible will be $5,000 deductible. That's the reason to sell a lower premium, but you have a higher deductible. That means that you will pay from your pocket $5,000, but more than $5,000, the insurance company will start to pay 100% of your medical expenses up to $500,000. That means that more than $5,000, you will be worried about copays, for example. That's a good advantage. Also, the coverage is 100% in the network or outside of the network. The main difference is that if you use the network, the company can pay directly, and if you use a clinic out of the network, you will pay first and apply to reimbursement. The next one is the BMI plan. This plan includes coverage up to $100,000, and the deductibles, you have two options of deductible, $1,000 or $2,000. I gave you only the cost, the premium for the Vida Buena, because the Vida Buena premium not will depends of your age. That means that the cost will be the same, but the other plans will depends of your age, and for sure is detailed in your email. A good recommendation that many of our clients use is, if you are looking, for example, for a plan that supply the requirement from the government, and you will use more to get your cedula to apply for your visa, you will look for the less expensive plan possible, and that plan is Vida Buena. Vida Buena can work perfect if that's your objective. Other clients combine. It's possible combine plans. What that means? I am trying to say that you can use, for example, the major medical plan is a lower premium but a higher deductible, $5,000, and combine with the $6,000 plan from Vida Buena. The reason to combine is because the basic plan will pay for the deductible in the other one, and then you not will be worried about the deductible in the major medical plan. And the premium to combine only will increase $39 with $20, that is the cost for the basic plan. Then you will be covered in small emergencies with the Vida Buena plan, for example, a broken arm, an appendicitis, and a small surgery, medicines, doctor appointments will be paid for the smaller plan, for the Vida Buena plan. And if something bigger happen, we will report to the company with the major medical plan. Many of our clients ask me if it's possible to do that. Yes, it's completely possible, because the two companies not are paying for the same claim. Only the one company will pay for the claims, and that payment will be applied to the deductible, not a double payment. For that reason, it's absolutely possible to do that, and you will save money, and you will be covered up to $500,000. Also, consider that if you make that combination of plans in a higher amount of coverage, you not will be worried about the copays. Let's think in $50,000 claim, for example. If you have a $50,000 claim, we will submit all the bills, all the claim to the first company, Vida Buena. They will pay maximum up to $6,000. And then the rest of the money we will apply to the major medical plan. And remember, in the major medical plan, more than $5,000, the coverage is 100%. That means that you not will need to pay the copay up to $50,000 in my example. Hope that clarify a little bit more my explanation in our email. Please, if you have any question, if you have any doubt about the plans that we are offering you, let me know. Write us, please, and we will give you an answer as soon as possible. Also, please consider that if you are looking for something different that not included in my email, for example, an international coverage or other kind of insurance, please write me and I will try to find the perfect plan for you. We work with other companies that not are included in the list. This is our recommendation, but if you like, take a look to other plans from other companies, you can tell me the name of the company and I can prepare a quote for you. Thank you so much. It's my pleasure to serve you. I hope you can be one of our satisfied customers. Thank you so much.